Easily one of the coolest features of the F80 is the sport modes. The car gets completely quiet, drone free, but the valves, when they're open, they're straight up a muffler delete. So I'll go back to valves, it gets a little drony. But it's nice being able to have the best of both worlds, you know, a loud car and a quiet car. The thing about Paul Toon is Sport is his flames, Sport Plus is your gunshots. Gunshots break plugs. I think the flames are a little bit better, and I like the sound of the flames because they're quiet, but they're huge. I need to find a way to get some clips for you guys of the flames because they look amazing. They really do. It really leaves people in awe when you pass by them. But if you there's a big controversy going on in the forums right now on the B58 page and the S55. Those guys are going at it lately. And I'm gonna be sincere with you guys. Since my F80 got rebuilt, I have not turned on my 340. It's that this car is just a special car, man. You feel it when you drive it around. But the problem with the F80 is this car doesn't hook. I keep saying it. This car, especially after you build it, excuse me. Especially after a build, this car doesn't hook. Like, not even for fun. It doesn't hook at all. So you can't get it to hook, but then it's a lot of work, a long process, and you'll only be hooking in the summer. The 340, you'll be hooking all day with the all-wheel drive. And if you put a turbo, which is half the cost, and on top of that, you're not spending the money for the crank hub, you're saving a lot with the 340. The cost of the crank hub is basically the cost of your port injection, plus a little bit more, you get your turbo. And you do 650 wheel all day. 650 all wheel is a fast car, bro. A very fast car. But the problem is also, F80s, they only hook on a track. And when you have an F80 hooking on a track, you're breaking stuff, man. I really hate to say, you start breaking stuff on these cars. And these cars are 2 or 3 times the money to maintain. So I feel if you get an F80, just stay full bolt-ons. Nothing more. There's no need. Cars is fully 85. This car is a joy to drive, man. A complete joy to drive. Alright, guys. Little f90 action, LCI. I like the pre-LCI a little bit better. Maybe that's an unpopular opinion, but I feel like those taillights don't even look like BMW taillights. See, I don't want to be one of these Team Max House guys recording my own accident. That's not gonna be me. But I'll hold on for a little bit for you guys. Yeah, deserve the content. Damn, yeah, he spooled it up next to me. You heard that turbo clearly. Thing definitely got some intakes. See, I got a boy who passed away not too long ago, last summer, doing stuff like that. It's different for me now. I don't look at it the same way. There's no need for me to run, try to cut this guy off. I'll wait till it opens up and I'll drive peacefully. That's one thing that you guys gotta learn driving. Stay patient. The lane will open. Now look, now I got a nice little pull in. I don't think I'm catching that guy, but I'm not really too interested in catching him. If I catch him, I catch him. I can't be on this no hezzy stuff, bro. Nah, man. After my homeboy died, it hurt mostly because I realized that it can happen to anyone. Any one of my friends who mess with cars, that we do our thing, we have fun on the weekends. It could have been any one of them, bro. Because we all, once in a while, we're getting down, doing, having fun, and that's cool. But, bro, just keep regular people outside of that type of mess. Because when he hit the lady, in the lady's eyes, she killed him. Because she didn't see the kid. He tried to make a cut that really was not for him, and she had a kid in the car, bro. Unluckily, my boy had a very bad habit of having a top down with no seatbelt on, and that's what caused him to lose his life. But it just all could have been avoidable. Guy's 22 years old, passing away behind the wheel, bro. That's not how we want to go out, man. That's really not how we want to go out. Calm down to the roads, guys. Take it easy. Stay safe. Thanks. First start with downpipes on. Vader f82. Guy's still here.
Wi-Fi off.
Intake's about to be installed. Very cool. Yeah, start for the drivers. Hey. I got my hand on it. Go ahead.
It's what? It touches the frame. Lower the lid. Can you see if it's still moving? She's spitting.
Oh, you need tips now. Yeah. Get the ones I got. The BMS tips are perfect. This guy.